how to set up your profile on Grindr. So you have downloaded the Grindr and you are ready to jump into it. Awesome. But before you start browsing, you gotta need your profile look good. Let's break down how to set it up step by step. First things first, let's open the Grindr. And once you're inside it, on the top left corner, you can see profile. Let's tap on it. And this is my profile for now. Once you tap on it, you'll be seeing this type of interface. Now let's scroll down and there you can see an option called Edit Profile. Give it a tap. Here is where we can edit the profile or set up the profile. The first things first you need to do is add up a clear recent photo where you are smiling or looking approachable. You can upload a few too and pick your favorite to be the main one. What kind of photo do you think makes the first impression? Let me know in the comments below. Let's tap on this and here you can see you can add up to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 photos. Let's add one. Choose from the gallery. Let it with this one for now. So when you are doing this, to make sure it's a good photo with a clear recent photo, as I said earlier, where you are smiling or you look approachable. I'm indoors, so I'll be using this photo right over here, but you can add something that makes people think that you are approachable to them. Now from here, you can crop the photo just like this and even rotate the photo. Then after you're happy with it, simply tap on next and tap on done. And it's done. Let's tap on save and it had been saved. Similarly, we can add 4 more photos right over here too. And there's an option for the display. So in the display, it's pretty, it's fine. And there's an about me section. And this is where, or this is a chance where you can add a little personality. Keep it brief, maybe a few key interests or something funny. What one thing you would definitely want someone to know about you right away. So let's add. You can add your personality right over here and the about me section, and there's a tag where you can add the keywords that will help people to find you easier. There's a section for the stats, 24, that is my age, and here you can also choose whether they can see my age or not. If you don't want it, you can simply toggle it off like this. And here you have to add the height, weight, ethnicity, body type, position, tribes, relationship status, and everything. And there's a trip section where you can add about trips, and there comes expectation where you can add who are you looking for, where you can meet them, or if you can accept the NSFW fix or not. On the identity, you can fill up your gender and the pronouns that you identify yourself. And on the health, there's HIV status, and there's health practice, vaccinations, and sexual health FAQ too. Now on the social, you can also add up your Instagram username, your Twitter handle, your Facebook, and your Spotify. And after you add all of them, simply tap on save and you'll be ready to go. So that's how you can set up your Grindr profile. Now you are ready to start connecting. I hope this video was helpful. Lastly, if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll be seeing you in the next video.